done a really good job so far of defining what a project is, setting one up, and then really taking us through a quick overview of the collaboration tools. But really, before you start to collaborate, you have to find your collaborators and invite them and chat with them.
That's right. So a couple of different ways we can bring up the artist chat window. One is we've already kind of shown you, which is under the Windows menu. There's also a keyboard shortcut of Shift Command equals or Shift Control equals on Windows. But as we showed you earlier with those global track collaboration tools in the edit bar, we can basically click on the little text window and it brings up the artist chat window right there. It's pretty easy to do. So under contacts, we've got a couple of different tabs. We've got my contacts. These are the contacts that I've already made contact with. You've got their screen name, and then you've also got their location over here. Now there's also the Add Contact tab, which basically allows you to type in a name or an email address to find other collaborators that you want to link up with. Now I'm going to type in, look for my buddy Tommy over in Melbourne. So once I find somebody, I can easily hit the plus button over here to add him as a contact. I can type another message to him, and then when I hit add, basically he's going to send that off, and basically now it's sent the contact information to him, and he can decide if he wants to link up with me or not. Now once we've done that, there's a notifications area, which is basically going to show you if you're getting invited to projects, and we'll talk about that more here in a minute. There's the projects area that basically allows you to go in and look and see kind of the progress of any projects that you're involved in. So under the chat area, basically you have a list of all your contacts that you can create a text chat with, or you can create a group chat with any number of contacts as well. So I'm going to go ahead and initiate a text chat with Tom. So his screen name is Graham Music, and I'm just going to type him a quick message. We'll send that over to him.
Okay, I can see it on my end. Can you hear me? No, I can't, Gil.
All right, so cool thing about this is it's all built right into here inside of Pro Tools.
And again, just to be clear, this is a chat that's just a general chat. Once you invite me to a project, we can tie that to the project, that type of chat.
That's right. So why don't we go ahead and do that now? So we come back up to the projects list, and I'm going to go ahead and select that Earth and Stars remix that we're working on. That's the current project we have open. And then there's a little plus icon with a little person. Basically, this is how we invite somebody to collaborate. So when we click on that icon, it brings up a list of all of your current contacts. So we're going to select Tom. If I wanted to, I could enter a message for him. And we're going to click Add and send an invite.
Yeah, so on my screen, I'm going to go ahead and select accept on that notification. Now you'll notice in my projects tab, one more project has been added called Earth and Stars Remix.
That's right. And then under the projects tab on my side, when I select that project, I can actually see that you've actually joined the project and the date and the time when you actually joined.
So I'll send you a quick message there.
Okay. All right. I get the text there. So
some aggressive guitars and bass parts. Okay, so at this point, I would now want to go ahead and open the project tab. And again, since I selected that Earth and Stars Remix, it now appears on my dashboard.
That's right.
So go ahead and hit open, and we'll see that it has essentially downloaded what looks to be like an empty session with some markers in it.
That's right. So basically, when you first share a project, if you haven't shared any tracks yet, there's basically 5 ruler tracks that get shared automatically. The tempo, markers, your key, chords, and time signature. All those automatically are going to get shared. From here on, now you can actually choose what tracks you want to share, and that's kind of where we would need to go next.
Cool. Well, let's get started. And in our next module, we'll start sharing some tracks and collaborating.
Okay, awesome.